The fifth thing, pitfall, is working without a plan or a timeline. And I have mentioned this a few times. Um, my master's is in urban planning, community development, and real estate, but I'm very much a planner, and we are professional project managers. This is what we do for a living. For 7 years, we have been working with legal teams, families to do this scope of work. So we very much have a process that works, and we know what the triggers are for various scopes within the overall project. So how a project manager like our team, how we approach it is we're going to assess the property. We're going to create a punch list with a timeline. We're going to then assign a budget to getting those things fixed that are, as we discussed, really bringing down the property or that are going to have to be addressed later anyway after inspection. And we are going to have a timeline of when exactly each step of the process is happening. We are also going to provide these quotes, bids, and timelines to the team to review and approve. And then once the contractors are working, we are going to monitor the jobs for completion, and we are going to run quality control. Oftentimes, our families live out of state, and when you are living far away, you don't have the luxury of stopping by to see if the basement repair is completed to quality or not. So we do that, take photos, videos, FaceTime our clients so that they remain involved to the degree that they want to in the process. And they know what they're paying for, they're getting. Then the other thing we do is provide ongoing property updates and property checks. So what this does is it basically overcomes things that are going to frustrate and waste money. So if you don't do things in a holistic manner, you will encounter multiple service fees. For instance, you will call the plumber to fix the running toilet, and then a week later, you will notice that the laundry tub is also leaking, or that under the sink is leaking, etc. So if you do a one-time property assessment, you will know the 3 or 4 projects that a plumber can attack. And then all those things are bundled for one service fee. Another thing that DIY individuals will come across is they will hire contractors who say they're going to do it and might even start the project, but who do not finish it, who don't have quality standards, and who are not engaged to the level that you need them to be. It's a very serious matter, and we want contractors to do quality work, have pride of their work, and to have accountability. And since I have my own contractors that I've worked with for many years, all of my contractors come through on time and with good quality because we are a team and we're all invested in the same goal. So do it yourself. You will call someone that was on Angie's list, someone else that was in Craigslist, someone else that your brother's sister's friend knows, and it can lead to shoddy work, lost deposits, incomplete work. Sometimes the destruction is done, which then makes it even more costly to fix later, and you're double paying. And it also leads to prolonged carrying costs because the timeline was not established or adhered to. And so, what do you know? Another month's worth of fees just came to the estate to pay.